Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Now we need to consider about the function f of s equals to 1 minus s squared. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So I will put f of s equals to number 0. So we have 1 minus s squared equals to number 0. And now I will put this one go to the right. And now we can put the square root for the both sides. And we have s equals to number 1 and s equal to negative number 1. Now we need to make the table. So negative number 1 and positive number 1, they are the solutions in here. First, we consider about the highest power in here. This is about negative. This is about negative number 1. So coefficient of s squared is about negative number 1. Is smaller than number 0 because this is about the negative side. So the side in this area in here, that's about negative. So from here to here, that's about positive. From here to here, that's about negative. Now we go back to this integration. So from 1 to 5, that is about from here. So from 1 to 5, the side is about the negative. So when we destroy the absolute value, we need to put the negative next to the integration because this is about negative, but the value always provide positive number in here. So negative with negative, you got about positive number. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And later that, we put the power from number 1 to number 5. And now we have the final answer in here. So we calculate about this one, and we have 112 over 3, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.